I'm not getting these.
Hey, Karkan, you want to grab a scoop of water over there?
Yeah. I can be in the video.
You have clothes on, you can be in the video. Grab that bug. Grab that bug.
Oh, grab the thing.
No,
That's it.
how much water is going to go in here? I think like 1.5 of these. Okay, grab another one.
Oh.
First bucket of the day is always the one where I have to figure out how much water to put in. Because it changes depending on how moist the material is. Like if it rained recently or if it's sitting out in the sun. Obviously if it's really dry, it needs more water, blah, blah, blah. This needs a little more.
You're doing good on the guest house, James.
Alright, Trev, I have to do 5 push-ups between every bucket.
Okay. Up here.
Or else my back gets sore from always doing the same thing.
Do them
I do.
up here.
I'll do them up here, yeah.
Flat, flat, flat.
I'm gonna leave my big rocks down. The ones that mark the edges, they're fine. They'll just join in the concrete. Alright, where's my smootherizer, guys? Oh my god! When you're passing something to someone, you should actually get close enough that they don't have to stretch to get it.
Oh, this is the water thing.
In the corner, come on. What?
That's the water thing, I think. Wait, it's the same thing.
Don't do this with your hands.
No, don't.
You got too much rock buildup in the corner, though.
Yeah, but Jaimie can do it with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash my hands right away. This is very rocky mix. It's just fine. It'll be strong. The rocks make it extra strong. It is hard to get it all into the corners. Does that look like good thickness?
Yeah. No, we can do it.
Alright. So, if you guys are smoothterizing... Wait, I don't have anything on this one. How did I miss this one? Whatever, it seems fine, I guess. I didn't put any rock on this one. Yeah, smooth it out. Just smooth out the surface. Try not to, squash it down too much or anything.
Oh, mine's too rocky.
No, go like this.
Okay.
Yeah, just spread it out a little.
Hey, I can do it.
And slap it like this a little. Help jiggle it and get it down into the bottom.
I'll do it then.
Alright. I'll wash my hands.
Ah, why is it sticking?
I got this bag, I think it's 50-pound bag of fiberglass fibers for concrete. So, putting a little of that in each one. I don't remember exactly how much you're supposed to put. I think it's about that much though. Hey, you guys, you left your smoothterizers just laying around here.
Yeah, I don't smooth anymore.
You done smoothing?
Yeah, I'm gonna be the velociraptor.
You're gonna be a velociraptor?
I'm gonna be the rock velociraptor.
The rock what?
The rock velociraptor.
Alright, I gotta start doing a better job of pouring in a way that'll get the stuff. Hold on, that's plenty, it's plenty. Actually, take a little bit out, because if it's super full, it's hard to dump them back and forth without losing any.
I think you will.
Oh, try not to lose any in the dirt. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, stop messing with it. Very good. Are you gonna bring it over? Can you move it? Oh man.
I can have it.
You can a bit? Alright, give me that little man.
No.
Come on. No, we gotta go. Alright, you get strong.
You want me to fill up another bucket?
Yeah, man, that'd be great.
Okay.
Okay, Trey, what am I supposed to do between everyone?
Push up. Press up.
5 push-ups?
5 push-ups. Maybe 6 or 7.
I think 5 is good.
You did more.
No, that was just 5. I just gotta get some opposite muscle exercise. Because doing this, I'm like lifting the whole time. So if we do some opposite exercises, I won't get a sore back.
But
You get sore muscles when you have the muscles in one direction going a lot, but not in the other direction.
Yep, my fly.
The sun's getting above the tree. It's alright, it's still nice and cool. We have a little fire, keep a bit of smoke, make sure no bugs show up. Have you been feeling any bugs? I haven't noticed any bugs.
I saw one, but I murdered
But yeah, a little bit of smoke makes them all go away anyway. Okay, how's your bucket doing? Ready? That's 10 buckets of concrete so far. Maybe another 5, possibly 6. That is 15.5 buckets of concrete, like 2.5 buckets of water, a little over a bag of cement, and no, close to half my pile here. I guess I better get more of this. I have a pile of this, like, I don't know, 100 meters that way. It got cloudy, so I don't need to worry about this drying out too much, but I'm gonna keep dumping scoops of water on it every now and then. Make sure it doesn't dry out. Maybe I have something I can put over it. It's not super inconvenient.